Creating a receipt allows you to change the status of your invoices to effectively manage your accounts receivable. Click on Accounting Plus, choose Invoices, then select an invoice and click Pay. Or you can click on Accounting Plus, choose Receipts, and click on Add Receipt. You can enter an invoice number, and by pressing the Tab key, it searches and retrieves the invoice. If you don't remember the invoice number, enter the company and matter, then the system will allow you to choose from Open Invoices. Add a description, then select the receipt type, receipt date, and the amount. Check the Invoice checkbox and click on Save to record the payment. If there is an overpayment, there will be an unallocated amount accessed to be applied to future invoices. Once the receipt has been created, the invoice status will update to either paid or partially paid. The receipt list may also be exported, which makes a seamless integration to other accounting products.